Hi there, I'm Tomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success. In this lesson, I want to show you how to play a really cool blues lick that works great for acoustic guitar. Let's hop over into my guitar studio so I can show you this nice up and close. Let me start off by showing you the whole lick, kind of slow. And let's break it down. We'll start off with this. In my left hand, I've got the first finger on the second string, 3rd fret, and the second finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret. So it makes a little offset interval. Then I'm hitting also the high E string, and that's always open. It's kind of a drone string, it stays the same. First off, let me show you how I use the pick and my fingers in my right hand. You don't have to do this, and I'll show you an alternate technique. So I pick down on the 3rd string, then I pick up with my finger on the 1st string, and my 2nd finger on the 2nd string. So I'm using my 3rd finger and my 2nd finger. No pinky there, and the 1st finger's got the pick. So it's 3rd string, 1st string, 2nd string. Then I move the left hand down 1 fret, keep the same form, 3rd string, 1st string, 2nd string. Move down another fret, 3rd string, 1st string, and 2nd string. Now, if you don't want to use your fingers, it works well with a pick also. You pick down on the 3rd string and then pick up on the 1st string, up on the 2nd string, move down, pick down on the 3rd string, up 1st string, up 2nd string, down on the 3rd string, up 2nd, and move on. Now the next part involves a pull off. We're going to pull off with the 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Hit the string, I'm using a pick for this, and then pull off with the 1st finger. So it sounds like this. You're only picking once, but you get 2 notes. So try that a few times, and then come back here and we'll do just that much together. Okay? Are you ready? Let's do this together now. Got my 1st finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd finger on the 4th fret. Here we go. Pick, 1st string, 2nd, move down, pick 3rd, 1st, 2nd, move down, and then the pull off, 2nd string. So let's try that from the pull off. 1st finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, ready, hit, pull, 3rd string, 1st fret, and make an E chord. Now, once you're on that E chord, we're going to do one little strum. So it sounds like this. So that's just one down, up, down. Let's try that together with the pull off. 2nd string, 1st fret. Here we go. Ready, hit, and pull off. 3rd string, and E chord. Now the next chord will be a B7, but before we get there, we got a little bass run. You hit the open 5th string, 1st fret, 1st finger, and then make the B7 chord and strike down. Just that much. Opens 5th string, 1st finger, 2nd finger, and make the B chord all at once. B7 to be exact. Now you do that simple strum again. So when I hit down, just like on the E chord, again from the open 5th string. So let's try it from the pull off, and then we'll put it all together. Pull off on the 1st finger, 2nd string, 1st fret. Here we go. Ready, hit, pull, 3rd string, E chord, open 5th string, 1st finger, and I'll show you a little faster. Okay, time to put it all together. We'll go nice and slow. Go ahead and follow along. Just do the best you can. This is not about getting it yet, just kind of mapping it out. Follow along with me, see where you need work, and then come back and work on the parts. Here we go. Starting with the 1st finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd finger on the 4th fret. Ready, go. Again, down, and again, down. Here comes that pull off. How'd you do? Well, I guess our time has come to an end for now. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you like this. For better or worse, I really do want to know. If you're ready to make some real progress with your guitar playing and you'd like to learn with me, come on over to my Real Guitar Success membership site. I've got a 14-day free trial so you can check it out and see if it fits for you. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.